are fit and fine and taking good care of yourself. Today I am going to start part 2 of chapter number 25, My District. In part 1 we learnt about Gujarat, where Gujarat located in India. Gujarat lies in the west of India, and it has 33 districts. And we learnt about Kutch. We learnt about Kutch and Ahmedabad. Today we will learn about many more districts of Gujarat. As we learned, Kutch is the largest district of Gujarat based on area. Based on area, Kutch is the largest district of Gujarat, and its area is 45,652 square kilometer. But which is the smallest district? Dang. Dang is smallest district of Gujarat. Dang is the smallest district of Gujarat, and its area, based on its area, it is the smallest district, and its area is 1,764 square kilometers. So according to the area, Dang is the smallest district. By listening to Vishwas, everyone knows about Kutch, and by listening Jyoti, everyone knows about Ahmedabad. And after listening them, Thomas started. My district is Dang, and it is the smallest district according to the area. Based on area, it is the smallest district, and its area is 1,764 square kilometers, and its population of Dang is 2,26,769. So it is less than other districts. And he said the largest part of forest means 56.5% forest are in Dang district. So here we learned about Dang. After Thomas, Jyoti said, my district has 6 position according to area. Means Jyoti, who comes from Ahmedabad, she said, my district means Ahmedabad has 6 position according to area, and its total area is 8,107 square kilometers, and its area is, according to the area, Ahmedabad is on 6th position, and its area is 8,107 square kilometers, and its population is 72,14,225. So according to the population, it is on the first position. So its population is 72,14,225, and our district has no forest. After Jyoti, Parveen, living in Ahmedabad, said, my city Ahmedabad is situated on the bank of river Sabarmati. Means साबरमती नदी के किनारे मेरा शहर आया हुआ है, अहमदाबाद शहर आया हुआ है. And who established Ahmedabad city, do you know? So in 1411, Ahmad Shah established Ahmedabad, and its literacy rate, my district's literacy rate is 86.65%. Means in Ahmedabad, out of 100 people, 86 people are educated. In Ahmedabad there are many sightseeing places. means वहाँ पर बहुत सारे देखने लायक जगह like सीधी सैर की जाली, कांकरिया लेक, साबरमती river front and Gandhi Ashram extra. So these are the sightseeing places of Ahmedabad. By listening to Praveen, Jyoti said, Sabarmati मेसो, खारी, भादर and Bhokabo rivers are passing through my district. Means these rivers are passing from Ahmedabad and Bhota city. Ahmedabad and Bhota city, which is known as Sapsangam, So water cities have flourished on the bank of these rivers. So nearby the river, these cities are established near the these cities are established near the bank of these rivers. And the literacy rate of my district means the literacy rate of Ahmedabad is 86.65%. So my district has Sidi Sayed Jali, Kakaria Lake, riverfront of Sabarmati means riverfront, and Gandhi Ashram are sightseeing places. So my district has Sidi Sayed Jali, Kakaria Lake, riverfront, and Gandhi Ashram sightseeing places. So these are the sightseeing places of my Ahmedabad. After that, Maitri said, I am coming from Junagadh and Dattatreya, which is the highest peak of गिरनार माउंटेन. मैत्री बोलती है कि मैं जूनागढ़ से आई हूँ और दत्तात्रेय जो हाईएस्ट पीक है, पीक मीन्स शिखर, जो माउंटेन गिरनार, गुजरात का हाईएस्ट माउंटेन कौन सा है? गिरनार. सो इट्स हाईएस्ट पीक इज दत्तात्रेय. यू माइट हैव हर्ड दिस द हाईएस्ट पीक ऑफ गिरनार टॉकिंग विद क्लाउड्स. और तुमने सुना होगा कि जो गिरनार की सबसे ऊंची चोटी है वो बादलों से बातें करती है. मैत्री लुक एट ज्योति, और मैत्री ज्योति की तरफ देखती है. सो ज्योति सेड देयर आर नो माउंटेन्स इन माय district. So there are no mountain in Ahmedabad. And Bhavin, who is coming from Gandhinagar district, said my district has many religious places. My district has many religious places like Akshardham temple, Mahudi, Dholeshwar Mahadev, etc. And Gandhinagar is the capital of our state. और जो भाविन था वो गांधीनगर से आया है और वो कहता है कि मेरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, यानी कि जो मेरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट, पहली बात तो मेरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में बहुत सारे धार्मिक स्थल है, जैसे कि अक्षरधाम टेम्पल और धोलेश्वर महादेव और महुड़ी. और ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट क्या है? हमारे स्टेट के मीन्स हमारे गुजरात के कैपिटल भी है. तन्वी स्पोक इन बिटवीन, आई एम फ्रॉम मेहसाणा. और तन्वी जो मेहसाणा से आई है वो बीच में बोलती है कि आई एम फ्रॉम मेहसाणा एंड माई डिस्ट्रिक्ट हैज मैनी हिस्टोरिकल प्लेसेस लाइक मोढेरा एंड वडनगर. द सन टेम्पल ऑफ मोढेरा एंड द कीर्ति तोरण ऑफ वडनगर इज वेरी फेमस. और कीर्ति तोरण वडनगर का और सन टेम्पल सूर्य मंदिर मोढेरा का बहुत ही जाना जाता है. बाय रीडिंग दिस, Jyoti said, our district has many religious places like Bhadrakali temple, Jagannath temple, Swaminarayan temple, Karnamukteswar Mahadev and ISKCON temple also. And historical places like 36 Dehra, Hillock of Lothal and Malav Lake, Munsar Lake and Stepwell of Adalas, etc. So these are the historical places of Ahmedabad. And before anyone speaks, Krishna said, my district is Nanda. A dam has been built at Navagam village on the river Narmada is in my district. और कोई और बोल पाता उससे पहले कृष्णा बोलती है कि मैं नर्मदा डिस्ट्रिक्ट से आई हूँ और जो एक डैम बना है जो नवागाम विलेज के पास नर्मदा रिवर पर, वो मेरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट है. एंड द लेक फॉर्म बाय दिस डैम इज नेम्ड सरदार सरोवर. और इस यानी डैम से जो लेक बना है उसे क्या? सरदार सरोवर कहा जाता है. उस यानी सरोवर को सरदार सरोवर कहा जाता है. And the Statue of Unity has been also constructed over there. Or the statue of our national leader, our Iron Man of India. Our national leader, our Iron Man of India. Who was the Iron Man of India? So Sardar Vallabhbhai. His memorial statue built there, and its height is 182 feet. So it is built in her district, and the dam Sardar Sarovar also built there in Narmada district. So she is explaining about her district. By hearing Krishna, Jyoti said, in my district also Dharoi dam is built over river Sabarmati. And after that, Dhanraj, who is coming from Banaskantha, said, in my district, Amirgarh Taluka of my district has Jaisur Deer Sanctuary, and Palanpur Taluka of my district has Balaram Sanctuary. And Jaisur Deer Sanctuary is famous for its bear, nilgai, porcupine, leopard, etc. And for nilgai and bears are seen in Balaram सेंचुरी। तो इन दोनों सेंचुरी में, ये दोनों यानी सेंचुरीज किस लिए फेमस है? तो जेसुर बियर सेंचुरी में हम बियर देख सकते हैं, नीलगाय मीन्स ब्लू बुल देख सकते हैं, पोर्क्यूपाइन और लियोपर्ड देख सकते हैं। और यहाँ पर बालाराम सेंचुरी में हम क्या देख सकते हैं? तो वहाँ पर नीलगाय मीन्स ब्लू बुल एंड बियर्स देख सकते हैं। Jyoti said Sarang Taluka of my district has Nal Sorovar bird sanctuary. In our district, in our Ahmedabad, in Sarang Taluka, Nal Sorovar is a bird sanctuary which is very famous for its bird. And many of the birds come there in winter season. They are migrating in winter season. And in that mostly flamingos, pelicans, swans, ducks, cranes, egrets, as well as local birds and animals आर सीन। और यहाँ पर काफ़ी यानी है ना बर्ड्स देखने को मिलते हैं अलग अलग तरह के। हरभजन वॉज ईगर टू स्पीक। ही सेड आई एम कमिंग फ्रॉम सुरेंद्रनगर एंड द मोस्ट फेमस फेयर ऑफ तरणेतर इज फेमस ऑल ओवर इन इंडिया, ऑल ओवर इंडिया। और वो बोलते हैं कि मैं सुरेंद्रनगर से आया हूँ, इसका बहुत ही फेमस यानी जो मेला है तरणेतर का वो पूरे भारत में प्रसिद्ध है। द यंग मैन एंड यंग वुमेन एंजॉयड दिस फेयर विथ अम्ब्रेला कलरफुल एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड ऑन देम। और यानी जो यहाँ के जो युवक युवतियाँ हैं वो कलरफुल अम्ब्रेला देकर जो एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड किए हुए मीन्स भरत काम किए हुए उनके साथ इस मेले को एंजॉय करते हैं। ज्योति सेड क्विकली एंड द बोठा फेयर which is organized at Botha is very famous in my district and many other fair like Jetalpur and Saranpur fair also held in my district. And Deven who comes from Panchmahal said corn crop is very common crop of my district और corn crop means मक्का की फसल वो मेरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट की बहुत ही फेमस फसल है। एंड बिसाइड दैट पेडी, वीट, पल्सीज, ग्राउंडनट एंड टोबैको क्रॉप्स आर ऑल्सो ग्रोन देयर। और इसके साथ साथ में गेहूँ, वीट मीन्स गेहूँ, पैडी मीन्स धान, दालें हर तरह की, और उसके साथ साथ टोबैको मीन्स तंबाकू और ग्राउंडनट मीन्स मूंगफली, ये फसलें भी मेरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में उगाई जाती हैं। And Deepika, who is coming from Porbandar district, she said, I am coming from Porbandar district. Cement, dyes and chemicals businesses has flourished a lot in my district. और वो कहती है कि मैं पोरबंदर डिस्ट्रिक्ट से आई हूँ जहाँ पर कलर काम और सीमेंट उद्योग, रंग उद्योग और उसके साथ साथ में रसायन उद्योग बहुत ही फ्लोरिश हुए, बहुत ही यानी कि फैले हैं, बहुत ही। I hope you understood this chapter. I will send PDF of this chapter in our group and we will meet soon in our online session to solve your doubts and queries. Thank you and have a nice day.